In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use YouTube on mobile data. Okay, so all you have to do is, this will work on iPhone, this will work on Android, whatever phone it is. You swipe all the way from the top of your screen, and you can see right now at the top left hand corner, I'm on Wi-Fi. Okay, so to use YouTube on mobile data, simply just switch off your Wi-Fi, and then you'll be on your mobile data plan. Then you can hop into YouTube. And if I refresh this, you can see that it is in fact working. The videos are loading up. But to actually save mobile data when you're watching YouTube videos with your data, you can tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on settings. And there you see the second option is data saving. Tap on data saving, and then you want to make sure that that data saving mode is enabled, and you can reduce the video quality. You can make sure that's enabled. And if you're downloading on your data, you can reduce the download quality by toggling that on, and then you should be good to go. So then you can go back and enjoy YouTube on your mobile data. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.